the rush of our lives, we often forget to appreciate the profound beauty that surrounds us, the beauty of nature. Nature whispers secrets of tranquility and strength. It's a symphony of life, a masterpiece painted with the vibrant colors of the seasons. Each life form contributes to the intricate tapestry of existence. Nature teaches us the art of letting go, just like the waves that surrender to the shore. It urges us to release our worries and immerse ourselves in the present moment. Nature is not just a spectacle to observe. It's an invitation to participate, to find joy in the simplest of things. Embrace the beauty of nature, a beauty that inspires us to be better, to appreciate, and to protect the world that sustains us all. In the heart of nature, we discover the true essence of our humanity.